All right, today's lesson is lesson 134, recording information on a graph. And today we're going to use a set of double 6 dominoes to do an experiment. Okay, so I have all of these dominoes, and on each domino there are 2 halves, and there are 0 to 6 dots on each half. Okay, so for my first domino, I would write, if I wanted to add up all the dots together to see how many I would have, I would end up with 0 plus 5 dots equals 5 dots. So my first domino only has 5 dots on it. Okay, what about the second one? The second one we have 3 plus 4 dots. So I have a total of 7 dots on my second domino. Okay. The third domino has 2 dots plus 6 dots, which equals 8 dots total. Okay. We have on this one 1 dot plus 1 dot equals 2 dots. So as you can see, there are multiple ways to make different numbers. On the second one, we have 2 plus 5 equals 7. Well, I already have a 7 here, so this is another way to make 7. Okay, and if we look at all these dominoes, these are all the different ways that we can make numbers using the dominoes. Okay, so there's only 1, and then this one is 5, and this one has 4. This one has 4 dominoes as well. This one has 8. This one has 9, 10, etc. Okay. So if I wanted to take and graph all the ways we can have the numbers 0 through 12 on my dominoes, well, the only way I can have 0 dots on my dominoes is that both halves have 0. If I want to have 1 dot on my domino, that means that one of the sides has to have 1 dot. Okay, it doesn't matter which half, but one of them does. Okay, if I want 2 dots, I could have 0 on one half and 2 on the other, or 1 dot on each side. If I want to have 3 dots, I can have 0 dots on one side and 3 on the other, or I can have 1 dot on one side and 2 on the other. And that continues all the way through. Now, once we get to 6, if we look, 6 has the most ways to have dots on my domino. There are 4 different ways. I can have 0 dots and 6 dots. I can have 1 and 5, 2 and 4, or 3 and 3. After that, there's fewer ways to have the other numbers. 7 only has 3 ways to make 7. 8 has 3 different ways we can make 8. 9, there's only 2 ways to make it. 10, only 2. And 11 and 12, there's only 1 way to make those dots, because you can only have a total of 6 dots on each half. Okay. All right. That's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.